Hey everybody, I'm alive. I just wanted to I haven't done anything in so long. Show you something quick. A little update on the cock chopper. Um, so, you know, infamous legends and told only in the seediest outer rim, whatever. The cock chopper. So Darth Cockchopper's motto down here: through chopping cocks I gain strength. And the etching is not done yet. Some more genitalia and a little bit more lines, a little more Orabesh going in on the body. But anyway, I just wanted to show you the whole idea because I don't think a lot of people really got what I meant. The body itself has this cutaway, and so that in the grip section, you'll be gripping right over, and there'll be like a cutaway view into what'll look like really cool saber guts. And so that's what I did with the internals here. I just made all this from scratch. Salvaged crap and a piece of edge connector. This little 5mm is just standing in for the main LED for now. But so the idea here is going to be so an illuminated switch, and I'll just show you what the blade's gonna do. That's just standing in for the main blade, but the main blade will just kind of pulse slowly on and off, save power. But the real thing, what I wanted to show you, is here. So here's the accent feature. I can actually show you. See, so this will sit inside that cutaway and look really cool through, looking down into it. UV LEDs mounted in behind the circuit board with some SMDs clipped on top. It's not really showing up on camera, but that's actually two up at the top there. There's a yellow and a green, and then a couple of reds down on the bottom. Actually soldered right onto the surface of the edge connector, and actually using the edge connector as the wiring, I guess you could say, which is kind of cool. But the effect of that will be cool. So I can show you what this is going to look like. But just keep in mind that you can see how this will sit in there like this. Well, I can't very well get that in there like this right now because all the stuff hooked up. I'd have to actually install it. So I can show you what it looks like, but just bear in mind it's going to be upside down, right? This detail is, I'm going to have to pop it in upside down just until I've actually got it installed. Anyway, time out. Wait, hold up, I jumped the gun. I wanted to show you something else about this accent feature. For some of the lighting, I don't know, you're not going to be able to see this down there. But I actually put a little micro slider switch down there, and what that does is I'm having trouble holding the camera and flipping the switch at the same time, but that turns on another set of lights that kind of animates it, so that'll just make it look like it's active saber guts inside there. And so I wanted to turn that on before I pop it in and show you what it looks like. So anyway, like I said, keep in mind that I'm sliding this in here upside down right now just because it can't go in right side up until it's installed. But I can kind of pop it in here so you can get an idea. Just, it doesn't line up quite right inside this cutout upside down. It actually has to go the other, flipped the other way, as it will sit in there to really see what it's going to look like. But, alright, hold up one sec. Okay, well, like I said, it doesn't quite line up in there very good upside down because, when this is installed, the red will be up at the top and the green and the blinkies will be down at the bottom. And when it's in like that, it sits in there quite a bit better. it fills that space a lot more naturally. But you can get an idea anyway of how that's gonna look, so that you know when you're holding the saber, you'll have this view down inside into the guts. Yeah, it'll look really neat. Um, but yeah, anyway, so that's what's up with that. Um, little update there. Once I get that body finished, pretty much just pop the real LED in place of that single 5mm there, and then pop that stuff inside that hog, and it's done. So yeah, but first chance I have now with the guts actually built to at least give you somewhat of an idea of how that's gonna look. All right, thanks guys. Anyway, moral of the story: I'm still alive, and just desperately trying to make time for anything I actually want to do, as opposed to some crappy failing factory. Anyway, I'll catch you soon.